If you are unfamiliar with what an email newsletter is, don't worry, I got you. Today, we're discussing how creating an email newsletter is one of the most important tools as a business owner, but most importantly, craft businesses, because that's what we're here for, right? Hello, I'm Amy, and welcome to my channel, Amy Makes That, where I post weekly videos every single Monday all about the Cricut, craft business tips, and Cricut project tutorials. So if you love this kind of content, then subscribe to my channel to learn everything and anything about the Cricut, because truthfully, I don't think I will ever get tired of talking about the Cricut. Now, let's begin today's video. You know how when you're on your favorite website online and boom, a pop-up appears. Hey, let's get 10% off your first order. And all you have to do is enter your name and email, and then the coupon is right there in your email. That is what we call good marketing and an email newsletter tactic. An email newsletter allows consumers to get notified about the latest updates or news about a business. It is a great tool because not only do you get the chance to interact with your customers, but they also get to know more about your business, your latest products, what you offer, and all of that good stuff. Before I get into these specifics on why businesses should have an email newsletter, I want to share my platform that I use for my email newsletter. Oh, and if you didn't know, now you know, I do have an email newsletter. And can I just say thank you to all of my email subscribers? Because starting an email newsletter was one of my goals for this year, and I now have 3,000 of you. I think I underestimated myself when I told myself my goal would be 100 subscribers. But to get into my favorite email newsletter platform, it is Flowdesk. I will put the sign up link in the video description because when you sign up with my link, you get 50% off your subscription every single month. I do pay monthly to use Flowdesk, but when I was researching all of the other email newsletter platforms out there, Flowdesk stood out the most to me because of their templates. First of all, they're beautiful. I've never seen an aesthetic platform like Flowdesk when it comes to email newsletters, and it makes my life 20 times easier when I'm trying to create an email, a landing page, etc., rather than to make it all from scratch or use a template that I do not like and then I have to start all over again. There are other email newsletter platforms out there like MailChimp, which I've used before, but I personally use Flowdesk because I love it so much. Again, this is a personal preference. You do not have to listen to what I'm saying here. I just try and give the best advice I can because I know it has helped me. And it's totally okay if you want to start out with a free platform like MailChimp and then eventually upgrade to a subscription platform like Flowdesk. And FYI for my business owners, an email newsletter is a tax write-off. So let's talk about why you need to create an email newsletter. The first reason is email newsletters help create an established relationship with business owners and consumers. There are several ways to get customers to sign up for your email newsletter. For businesses, the most common way is to share a coupon code, which I mentioned earlier. By them now signing up for your email newsletter and getting a free coupon out of it, you, the business owner, can email them as much as you like about new products, shop updates, sales, and much more. And when you're reaching out to them personally, it makes your customers feel very important. Like, wow, I'm the first person to get notified about their product launch. I feel really special and definitely want to support their business because of that. Which leads into my next reason why it is so important to start an email newsletter as a business. Email newsletters help bring in more sales and make you more money. Now you might be asking, Amy, I have an Etsy shop. I don't judge you for that. But can I still create an email newsletter even though I don't have my own website? You sure can. I actually highly recommend you do because this is something that I wish I did when I sold on Etsy. If your shop gets randomly deactivated, how will your customers know that you got deactivated? You can't log back into your account and tell everyone. Even if you did, it would take absolutely forever to get everyone's emails and try and send a mass email out in a panic. But if you already had an email newsletter while you had your Etsy shop, this can be placed in your shop biography, shop announcement section, or in any of your social media accounts. You'd be able to make an email within minutes with a template and spread the news. But if you have your own website, it should be a staple to have an email newsletter. If I was shopping for a specific item on a website and I go to the first website, I see some things, I don't know if I love them, but I wasn't really inclined to click add to cart and buy something. So I go to the next website, and within a few seconds, a pop-up shows up saying, hey, here's 15% off your first order with us. Or, hey, here's free shipping on your first order. Which website do you think I'd be more inclined to shop at? The correct answer is the second. You're giving a potential customer a free gift or money off their first order, which in return benefits you because you're making a sale, getting their email, and keeping them up to date with your latest products, which will help you get more sales. By emailing them every week, every month, whatever consistent schedule you have for your email newsletter, sending an email to their inbox about a flash sale will persuade someone to click on your website and make a purchase. And the last reason why email newsletters are so very important for your business is to find out your sale analytics. Usually every platform that you're on, whether it may be Etsy, your own website, will have some kind of analytics page that shows which products are being sold more, how much you made, where people are finding your website. But an email newsletter platform like Flowdesk allows you to see that too. Not only are you seeing it on your website, but when you're making another effort to reach out to customers with the email newsletter, you can see which products they're viewing more, clicking more, which sales they prefer. So if your email newsletter for the month is a flash sale, but the next one is a free shipping code, you'll be able to see all of that in your dashboard. That way you can ask yourself as a business owner, which products are working for people and what can I change to help get more sales and more traction to my site? And then you can slightly adjust or switch things up according to these analytics. So I hope these tips helped you understand why having an email newsletter as a small business is one of the best, if not the best, tools to have. And don't forget to sign up with my link in the video description to get 50% off every single month of your email newsletter subscription. And that is huge because as small business owners know, we need to reduce costs as much as we can. So saving 50% off is a big deal. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and click my subscribe button to get more weekly content from me all about the Cricut and craft business tips. And let me know if you've tried Flowdesk before or any other platforms out there. Thank you as always for watching and supporting my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!
What if this breaks your little heart in mine? What should we do tonight? Let's just find out. Pretty blue jeans and me.